are headed now. And we're going to try to get as close as we can to the actual entrance and crap. Because it sucks ass parking here. Probably going to go okay today though. Oh, I went the wrong way. Oh shoot. Oh, that's Graham. Oh, I'm just gonna go down a couple more. Okay. She's a little slick. I go this way, it looks like it. Okay, so we're gonna go this way back, right around the old corner. Yeah. Sorry, lady, I wanted more. Welcome to Minnesota. Hopefully the snow shows up on the camera. I mean, the snow that's coming down. Mayo Clinic. This is known as the Gonda building. It's paid for, from what I understand, by the Gonda family. Let's try parking here. This will work. Yay! We're gonna get a spot to park. Pull forward to get your ticket. Perfect. I can do that. Weird little ticket machine here. Put that up there maybe. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn this off and figure out where the hell I gotta go. Hey, what's up, man? Lots of elevators. Lots of elevators going up. Sleep apnea room. Or whatever you want to call it. Oh, that's right. I know better than to turn the camera. So it's like a regular room. Nothing crazy. Got some cameras on you though all night. One there, I think. One there. TV to watch for a while. Another camera, or 2 or 3 or something. I don't know. In a minute here, though, I'll show you my sweet hookup I got going. So we got the bathroom. One private deal. They tell me there's no cameras in there. Bed's alright. Looks like it tilts. Got a little couch going there. We'll flip the camera around here quick, though. And there's me hooked up. I got a picture I'll add on there too, but apparently this is, I don't know, apparently it goes over my whole head. I can't see this obviously, but hopefully this will show that. So we're gonna find out tonight how I'm gonna sleep from now on. Hopefully alive. So I'll talk to you in a bit.